Hey everybody, I'm Sara Wade, and today we are going to create an animated social sticker in just over 5 minutes. When I open Procreate, I see the gallery screen. Here, I'm going to hit the plus button to create a new square canvas. Then I'm going to go to the settings, canvas, and I'm going to turn on animation assist and the drawing guide. I'm going to edit that drawing guide just to change the grid size, and done. Now we're ready to draw our first frame. I'm going to pick a color to draw with and a brush. I can test out that brush right in here. That looks pretty good. And I can adjust the size over here on the left. Okay, let's draw that first frame. Now, if you don't draw perfectly straight lines, that's okay. If you hold, Procreate will pop a shape out of your lines. And this works for triangles, squares, circles, anything that's a basic shape. And I'm going to do that with each of these triangles because if I'm honest, I rarely draw perfectly straight lines. I can also scale that shape and slightly rotate it around until I pick up my pen. And again, on that third one. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now to fill the colors, I'm just going to select the color, drag it, and drop it into the area that I want filled. Procreate is going to automatically fill that color in right out to the closed edges. If your shapes aren't closed, this won't work. So make sure you're drawing closed shapes if this is something you want to do. Okay, let's add another frame. I'm going to redraw this frame a few times, slightly differently each time, so that I can get that wiggly boiling edge effect that looks so cool in stickers. If you're not quite happy, undo is over here on the left. If you use that shape, you will have to undo the shape and then the lines, and that'll get you set to start over. And this looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. And I'm ready to draw my third and what will be my final frame. And getting those colors in there, we can see how this one looks. Let's just set the whole duration of each of my frames to 2. And what that's going to do is just hold that frame. So we don't have to draw it again. We can just hold that exact same drawing for 3 frames. Okay, playing this, it's not exactly how I hoped it would be. So I'm going to find the offending frame, and it's the third one that I drew. I'm just going to go here and select it, click on that image, and hit clear. I'm going to redraw this frame from scratch. Getting back to that dark color. Brush is all good. Let's turn that onion skin back up so we can see it and redraw that frame. Again, I'm holding every time so that Procreate will pop those lines into a neater triangle than I can draw on my own. And let's fill in those colors. And let's turn that onion skin down and play it to see how it's looking. Okay, this is looking better. That second drawing, the second time we drew the third frame, it came out a lot better. I'm pretty happy with it. Now, how do we get this out of Procreate? We can go to the settings and the share tab, and I can choose MP4. And if I were making something for my Instagram feed, that would be what I would do. Feeds need to be 3 seconds long. This is not. So we're going to make an animated GIF with a transparent background, and that is what we can use for a sticker. I'm exporting that. I'm going to tell it to save the image, and voila, you have an Instagram sticker. You can take it right out of your photo roll and put it right onto something in your Instagram feed. Okay, that was a pretty quick social sticker. If you want to level up your sketching and illustration skills, check out Illustration for Motion. If you want to level up the design of your social stickers, check out Design Bootcamp and Design Kickstart. Links in the description. If you'd like to use some of our IG stickers until you make your own, check out the link in the description for a pack of all the days of the week stickers, as well as the one that we animated in this lesson. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more design and animation tips. Head to schoolofmotion.com to learn more about our interactive online curriculum and let us know if you have any questions. We can't wait to see you in class.